Understanding trail cameras, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: trail cameras. If you love nature, wildlife, or outdoor activities, this video is perfect for you. We'll dive into what trail cameras are, how they work, and why they're important. So, let's get started. Trail cameras, also known as game cameras or wildlife cameras, are specialized cameras designed for monitoring wildlife and outdoor activities. Unlike regular cameras, they are built to withstand outdoor elements like rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Trail cameras are often used by hunters, wildlife researchers, and nature enthusiasts to capture images or videos of wildlife in their natural habitat without human interference. These cameras are equipped with motion sensors and infrared technology. When an animal or any movement is detected, the camera automatically starts recording. This feature allows it to capture images or videos, often in high definition, of wildlife activities, usually without the need for human operation. Trail cameras can be left in the wild for extended periods, continuously monitoring and recording the area's wildlife. Trail cameras play a crucial role in wildlife conservation and research. They help scientists and researchers gather data about animal behavior, population, and movements without disturbing them. Hunters use these cameras for scouting and tracking game. They are also popular among nature enthusiasts who want to observe wildlife without impacting their natural behavior. If you're interested in using a trail camera, here are some tips. Choose the right location. Place your camera near trails, water sources, or feeding areas where wildlife is likely to be active. Secure the camera properly. Ensure it's mounted securely to avoid theft or damage by animals. Check the settings. Familiarize yourself with the camera's settings, like sensitivity, video length, and picture quality, to optimize your results. We hope this video has been informative and enhances your understanding of trail cameras. They are incredible tools for exploring and appreciating the beauty of nature and wildlife. Whether you're a researcher, a hunter, or just a nature lover, trail cameras can provide a unique and fascinating glimpse into the animal world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.